The San Diego COVID-19 Community Response Fund has granted more than $3 million to nonprofits working to support our vulnerable communities impacted by the coronavirus. Now, one of those groups, the San Diego Rescue Mission, just received $60,000 from this fund. Joining us now via Skype to talk about this grant is the CEO of the San Diego Rescue Mission, Donnie D. Welcome, Donnie. Good to see you.
Good to see you, too. Thanks for having us, Ginger.
Well, thank you for all the work that you're doing at the San Diego Rescue Mission. Give folks an overview of how life has changed for you and your clients, the people that you serve, during these COVID-19 times.
Yeah, we really rolled into the new year with some initiatives and some things we wanted to do, and we were moving forward on those plans, and then all of a sudden, everything shut down. Obviously, we need to be safe. I think the country's doing everything that it can to try to create a path forward, but we had to make some changes and make some changes quickly. On March 13th, we put everybody in a self-quarantine, all of our students, 250 plus, that have come to us for care and help and trying to get their life off the streets. We put them in quarantine starting on March 13th. So we've had to really change the way we do things programmatically. We've had to change the way we do things socially. It's put our staff at a real stretch because we don't have any volunteers in our building right now. And so far, no COVID cases. We really feel fortunate and blessed that we've made it these last 5 or 6 weeks, continuing our programming and being able to keep everybody healthy and safe.
Wow, that is tremendous. That is great news to hear, COVID-free. And today, there was the announcement about $60,000 in grant funds to you folks. What are you going to be doing with that money, and how huge was that for your goals?
Well, in my couple of years in this role, I continue to be amazed at the number of people, for-profit, and the number of individuals and the not-for-profits that support the work that we do. It just amazes me to see their generosity. And the San Diego Foundation, what an incredible blessing that they would see fit to support our work. We're using their grant in a couple of ways. One, because we don't have any volunteers, it's really stretched our staff thin. And so we've had to do some reprogramming, and that's increased some costs because of the number of staff that now need to be around. We've taken some part-time workers and made them full-time. We've repositioned some workers to try to help us there. And so part of the grant's going to be used for that. We've also have a food distribution program. The amount of food that we give out on a weekly basis is enormous. We've gone from 20 cars a week picking up food at our warehouse to 25 cars a day because there's so many smaller shelters and churches that have pantries that we've been able we've had to try to support. And the San Diego Foundation has really helped us with that. Not to mention just the number of supplies that we've needed. And part of the grant's been used to buy hygiene material and toilet paper and paper towels and soap and all kinds of things like that we've needed more of these last few weeks than we had prior to that.
All right. Is there anything quickly that we can do as San Diegans to help the San Diego Rescue Mission continue on your noble work?
Yeah, well, thanks for asking. We continue to need dry goods, paper towels, and toilet paper and things like that, and shampoo, and obviously your prayers and your encouragement and your support. And we're looking forward to getting to the other end of this COVID crisis so that we can get back to maybe a new normal. But we appreciate all the community's done for us to help us do what we do on a daily basis for those that are experiencing homelessness. And thank you, KUSI, for letting us come in and tell the story.
Donnie, thank you to you and your staff for doing such amazing work, and just continued blessings to the future. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good numbers, too. I love to hear that you guys are COVID-free. So thank you for spending some time with us. We'll check back in with you, hopefully when we're all reopening up again.
Thanks a lot.
All right. Take care.